Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and ready for a new eye makeup tutorial. Now today's video is a perfect cat eyeliner tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial, so give a thumbs up, go comment, share and subscribe also. In this video I am showing you how to create this beautiful eye makeup look, and this is going to be done using a Kajol pencil from Faceit, and this is going to be a very smoky, sultry eye makeup look, and it's going to be extremely simple. Now start the tutorial. So we are going to start of taking kajal very close to our lash line and just make a small dot and then connected it all the way to your inner corner. So if you have a little bit of your lines on your eyes just like me, and if you are not able to get a very precise line, you can open your eyes and lift your eyebrows. Now it's time to blend this liner. So I have two brushes. I choose small mini brush to blend this liner. So next step we are going to blend this liner, and I blend this liner very light hand and don't moving on upside to blend this liner. And when you do this, try to be precise, and if you can't, it's totally fine because we are going to be smudging it. But just because we are smudging it out, it doesn't mean you can take it literally everywhere. So maintain the shape and try to be look perfect. Now I applying this kajal pencil on my waterline to cover my eyes because it's a smoky eye tutorial. So now I am going to do the step which is dread the most, which is to tight my upper waterline. So just close your eyes and take it very close to your upper waterline and quickly just get it done. Now I just smudging my lower lash part with the help of mini brush. After that I am using Carolon Aqua liner. I draw a straight line on my upper lash line. So I am going to use a smudger brush to smudge this liner, and this one I am going to use to smudge it. So when I smudge it you can see, so I am actually pulling it to downwards because I don't want the color to go very high because this is not going to go anywhere into our lid or our crease area. So we are just going to maintain it around our lash line. So I am just going to press it and I am going to pull it downwards. So it is already does look a little clean, but just add as end step I am going to use Miss Rose concealer. I am just going to underneath the wing. You can use any concealer, and then I am going to buff it downwards. Now I am using Bob mascara to curl my eyelashes. If your lashes is not curled, so you need to try this Bob mascara. You can easily curl your eyelashes with using this mascara. I am applying this mascara on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. After that I am using 3D eyelashes, and it's very amazing. And now it's a final look. And now I complete this look is very beautifully. And this is our smoky feel liner makeup.